Alright guys, I'm going to be referring to this table and the graph that you have on your revision sheet, so you need to have both of them open for this video to make sense. Alright, so first of all I've just drawn the table so I can refer to it, draw on it, all that. So part A, we want to find out which coordinate, which time point represents winter 2019. We know from our assignment that when we do a time series graph on Excel, when we create a time series stuff, each one of these points is going to be on your x-axis a number. So on your x-axis, this coordinate will be 0.1, this is 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and so on. So that means if we're looking for winter 2019, we're looking at this number here. So on our x-axis, to get to this point, we're going to be, that's your 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th number. Sorry, your 8th number, I can't count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, your 8th number is 1. So that means the coordinate that shows 2019 on the graph is going to be at 8 on the x-axis. That's what's given in black. And then our y value is going to be 1. That's how much rainfall they had at that point. In terms of part B, describe the change in this data. You can say from the smooth time series graph, there is an upward trend shown in graph. You can't really say from looking at the graph for this data if it is seasonal or cyclic, because it's not occurring at the same time. Some seasons have a lot of rain, some seasons don't. It's not the same season that's showing that same amount of rain, so it's hard to tell if it's cyclic or seasonal. So I would leave it there. And then part C, we need to find that part C says the last data value for the smooth data has been left off the graph. Calculate the value of the last smooth point given your answer to the nearest whole value. So to do that, we would add, since it's a 3-point moving average, we would take the last 3 points and average them out. Alright, let's look at the last 3 points. That's our bottom row here. So we would take 324, we would add 123 plus 121 and divide them by 3. And that gives us our 3-point moving average. $189.33. So our last value will be 189.3. I would round that up to 189 as a whole number, just to keep everything in whole numbers, because our x values in whole numbers. So therefore, missing data point is going to be for the 16 data points here. Yes. So our missing data point would be on a moving average 15,189. Since one data point's missing, the smooth average will be taking one data point less, so it will be 15,189. Even though we got 16 values here, smooth average will be 15,189. And that's question 4.